Hello. In this session, we'll learn how to make an announcement in Canvas. But first, what are announcements? Announcements are designed to allow instructors to broadcast information out to all members of a course or to all members of sections within a course. Students may be able to reply to announcements, but replies are not considered to be a conversation and do not appear in the conversation inbox. Now let's go make an announcement. From your home page, you'll see on the inner ribbon the tab that says Announcements. Click the tab. If you've never made an announcement before, that tab may be gray. All the announcements you've made are hosted here in the Announcements tab. Once you start to fill up on announcements and you have too many, you can simply click on the checkbox to the left of the announcement to delete announcements that have passed. Announcements were successfully deleted. To create a new announcement, simply go to the top right-hand corner and you'll see a blue plus announcement button. This means you can add an announcement. Type in the title of your announcement. Announcement is a great way to give your students information so that they'll have it handy to come to class tomorrow and be prepared to discuss it. It's a great way to flip your classroom. So the first thing I would want to do is to give my students some information. So tomorrow we will learn about rocks. Watch this video and be prepared to discuss it with your peers in class tomorrow. Cool, so I have my announcement. When I say this video, I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to make a link for the video. So I went to my favorite site, Study Jams, found a video about the rock cycle. Of course, I previewed it to select the correct video. This is exactly what I want. I press Control-C to copy the link or copy the URL. I'm going to go back to my announcements page and I'm going to highlight this video, those words, and I'm going to press the link button, link to URL, and now I'm going to paste by pressing Control-V to insert the link. And you'll notice that now this is a hyperlink that will take me directly to the video, The Rock Cycle. This information may not be so easy for my students. They don't understand why we're doing it. And it's really impersonal. So what I want to do is I want to record or upload media. Here I can record live information. So I can record myself, or I can upload a video that I've already pre-recorded. So I'm going to select the file of video about the rock cycle. And now my video will be in. I'm going to say, hey, do I want this to post today or do I want to post this another day? Well, I'm going to use this with my class next week, but I'm recording all my videos today. So I want it to show on July 6th. So I chose that's the day I want my students to be able to see this announcement, which is a really great feature. I can allow them to comment and I can allow them to post before seeing replies. Usually on announcements, I would never allow them to comment. I'm giving them information. I don't want them giving any information back to me on my announcement. I never allow my students to like, although you can, and I can enable a podcast feed. Once I press save, I can preview what my announcement looks like to my students. So I have a video. Hi, boys and girls. I miss you so much. I can't wait to see you on Monday. But until then, I want you to go, click the blue link below, and I want you to watch the video about rocks. Be prepared to tell me the 3 different types of rocks there are and what happens in the rock cycle. So I have my video that gives them information so my students who may have disabilities, they don't have to read this. There's no barriers created for them. I give them the direct instruction what I want them to do, and I've attached the link. And then I also tell them that tomorrow we're going to learn about rocks. So it gives them some anticipation for what's going to come. So now you know how to make an announcement in Canvas.